Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Math YouTube channel where we go to solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2005 AMC 10, question number 4. A rectangle with a diagonal length x is twice as long as it is wide. What is the area of the rectangle? You can first start by just drawing a general rectangle. So a rectangle with a diagonal of length x is twice as long as it is wide. So we can just consider this as 2y and this is y. What is the area of the rectangle? So we're looking for 2y squared. So we can use Pythagorean theorem and say that 2y whole squared plus y squared is equal to x squared. That's Pythagorean theorem, which means that 4y squared plus y squared equals x squared. So which means x squared equals 5y squared. So if we're looking for 2y squared and we want it in terms of x squared because that's what we have over here, so we're looking for 2y squared and we have 5y squared equals x. We can set up y squared as x squared over 5, and we can replace it into here. So we have 2x squared over 5 as our answer, which means that B is our answer.